Chat, good morning. 9 o'clock. Uh, I've been here pretty early, just looking at the price. Overall bias is I want to be bullish. That's my overall bias right now. Um, but we do have an hourly SMT. Liquidity sweep, hour SMT is scaled down. Nothing on the 15 minute, but we had a 5 minute change in the state. Tapped into it. And then I am in a position, this is on a practice account though. I entered when we tapped this 1 minute fair value gap and closed back below. I entered. Um, it's just on the practice account though, and let me just move it like here. We've had some pretty shit price action. Like I almost got stopped out. I had my stops above this high. Almost got stopped out here. Didn't. Came down, hit first TP, which was just this low. Only 13 points, but there is a S&T. Actually, not anymore. But we did have a liquidity sweep here on ES, and Nasdaq didn't hit this level yet. But Nasdaq hit the level. It's 9 o'clock, and I'm looking for price, and I'm low key, like I said, bullish. Why am I bullish? Well, we filled in this imbalance completely. We even got like candle closures above it. Came back to this looks like equilibrium from this move high to this move high. Yeah, we came back to equilibrium. And even if you just count the very bottom to the very top, I still think we tapped it. Yeah, we did. So we tapped equilibrium on both. We have this hourly fair value gap. We have this hourly bearish fair value gap that we disrespected and closed back above. Um, but we are respecting this 4 hour gap here. And we have a 4 hour imbalance here with nice wicks down. But we do have a 4 hour imbalance. But if price is really bullish, it won't matter. And this is on both time frames. Dude. Honestly, I don't know, man. I don't know how price wants to move because I can see price going both ways. I'm not gonna lie. Because we tapped into a 4 hour fair value gap bearishly, and both like I'm 50-50. We're gonna see what price wants to do. Am I still in this practice trade? I am. If I took this on the live account, uh, no, I wasn't even up 20 points at one point. But it's a pretty slow moving trade. Anyway, I'm gonna try and take a trade before. Um, I'm gonna try and take a trade before like 10:30. But I mean, I'm home all day today, so. But we'll see what happens. Like, there's no 15 minute for value gaps. There's this 30 minute one, but you know, we previously respected it or came back within it, came back up, traded up higher into a fair value gap, and then we're trading back below it and got a candle close inside. I wouldn't have mind I wouldn't have minded taking this on a live account, but I'm not gonna lie. Well, how many points? Only 13 points. But if I went in with 15, how much would that have been? Like 400? Bought a Mario, which I ain't rent one. Would have been about 400 bucks. For a low pre-market trade, I don't think that would have been bad. Would have covered the loss from yesterday. Anyway, my bias is actually 50-50. I don't really know. But we're just going to see what the market tells me. So I'm going to see you guys when market opens. And wait, one more thing. I actually think we have news. Today's Tuesday. Yeah, we have 10 o'clock news. Alright. I'm going to see you guys when when market opens. All right, guys, we might have something cooking here. Nasdaq opened up. We manipulated higher. We swept out, London's highs and everything. This hourly liquidity, we traded within this hour fair value. Let me clean up the chart for you guys. We traded up within into this hourly fair value gap. So we have an SMT hourly fair value gap and a liquidity sweep. This again, we got a fat SMT here. Okay, you scale down. Now you're taking this off of an hourly fair value gap. So the 1 minute might not offer the best entry or the best confluences. Like I'm not gonna just take this. Like if this gets inversed, this is not bearish. If this gets inversed, I'm not gonna just take a long setup. But I do want to see price start to have bearish structure and bearish order flow. Um, I do want to see. We're gonna get a. No, we're not. Never mind. I was gonna say we're gonna get a change. We're gonna get a change in the state. Did we get a change in the state here on ES? Uh, no, we didn't. But like, if we wait for a 5 minute, it's not gonna be until down there. 3 minute down there. 2 minute down there. 1 minute would be here. This is the series of upward candles that made the new high. So a change in the state would happen right here. So, and this is also a 3 minute fair value. But do we still want to go higher? Maybe. Um, I don't know. If we are gonna want to go higher, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna want to wait for something. But we're gonna chill and wait. I'm gonna see if shorts might end up happening. But I'm gonna come back and we'll see. Where's my mouse? Alright, everybody. I'm go over what has happened. I haven't taken a trade yet. I took a little trade and it hit TP. Let me tell you what my problem was. I was looking for shorts, and I still never and I never flipped my bias. I thought I would get a short position here, which is where I started the video. But the real draw on liquidity was higher. I was looking for shorts, so I didn't take any trade within here. And now we're just moving sideways. So just to update on where we're at. That's what we're at right now. I was looking to see if price wanted to tap into this 15 minute, and we did on EX, and we haven't yet on NQ. But so yeah, that's just what I'm at right now because I wanted to explain to you guys because it's 11 and I haven't taken. Well, I mean, I took a little trade, but I took a whatever trade. So that's where I'm at right now. And there actually was a kind of they give you a lot of opportunities. If you wanted to wait until 10 o'clock, I think you really could have too. But we had this 3 minute fair value gap support price to go higher. And it's the fair value gap after sweeping out this high. So if price really was going to go higher, I should have seen that. Hey, we respected it a lot. And where I would have probably gotten in was right here. Because I would have seen that, hey, price is still going higher. We create another 1 minute. You could have given this a shot because your stop loss is like fucking 13 points. And I mean, you would have gotten, the max pay or whatever, and like fucking, it was all green candles. I even think you were out before 10 o'clock. Yeah, you were even out before 10 o'clock. Oh, here we go. And I just had to fucking spend 140 bucks on um, a website to do fucking homework. I had to pay to do my homework. Like, are you fucking. Everything costs fucking money. Everything costs fucking money. So yeah, longs up here. I mean, if you were looking for longs, you took this. I actually wanted to see if Price wanted to fill this 5 minute fair value gap. I was like, ooh, let's see how Price wants to react off a 5 minute fair value gap here, but we never actually hit it. We were just bouncing around on the 3 minute. So this is where we're at right now. And just to show you guys, this is no man's zone. Like, do not take any trades within this box. I really want Price to tap this 15 minute for us to get a reaction, but chapter 4 and 5. Uh, yeah. So yeah, that's what we're at right now. If you look, I thought Price was gonna be. I was trying to short here, and then we disrespected it, and then we just kept going higher, and we're inside this hourly fair value gap now. So I thought, hey, we might want to tap this 15 minute, but so far we haven't. We have a 30 minute fair value gap here. So let's see if Price wants to tap it. I said I want to look for a trade by 10:30, and because I was looking for shorts, 10:30 was what was 10:30 over here. We were just chopping up, and there was nothing here. But I missed this whole move up. I need to get better at flipping my bias, reading price, seeing what it's telling me, and actually executing. That's my problem. And I'm unprofitable because I'm forcing trades in this type of price action when we're moving sideways. I know how to trade. I just have a problem actually clicking the fucking button and like switching my bias sometimes. Because I was looking for shorts. I thought we were going to be pretty, good to go down at least a little bit. Yeah, she delete this. But we never did. And we kind of, I don't want to say unnaturally went up, but like, we kind of went up fucking 250 points. And then we're bouncing around. This is what happened yesterday. Where's yesterday? Here. Market opened. Where did market open? Wait a minute. Where's I don't see Monday or anything. Why where the hell is it's all the way over here. No, that's today. Is this today? No, it's not today. Yeah, look, market opened. Where did we open? Actually, this wasn't as bad. This was nice. But, I mean, to be fair, we jumped up like 200 points and then we just moved sideways the whole day. And I'm thinking that's kind of what's happening today. I mean, it's only 11 o'clock, but we gotta wait and see. But I'm being serious. I'm gonna literally just sit here on a 30 minute because we do have a huge S&T where the Nasdaq is trading like up above here or up above here, and ES hasn't yet. When ES hits this high, that actually might be pretty big. But I kind of want to see if it wants to tap into this 30 minute. So I repeat myself a lot. So that's what we're waiting for. I would like to get the max. I would like to get, what's my balance at? 59.54. Let me see something. See. I need $2,000 to pass this account. So if I can profit 500 bucks, I'll be okay. If this was a challenge of Express account, I would not be trading like this. I probably wouldn't have taken a trade today then if we're moving like this. If I didn't take a trade here and I'm still trying to take a trade here, I would probably just call it quits. I actually probably definitely would call it quits, but because it's a challenge account, I'm still gonna be looking for something. But I mean, we're just fucking printing. Like, look at the 5 minute. We moved sideways, so I'm just chilling. I'm gonna do homework and shit. But so 2046 minus 1500. I have to profit 550 bucks today, and that's on top of this. So 546 plus 95. I have to profit 650, which I mean is pretty not like it's not bad. Like worst case scenario, I could just scalp, but I'm gonna see if Price actually wants to get things set up. We'll wait and see. We'll wait probably. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna update you guys on. I'm gonna update you guys after I take a trade. Yeah. So I took a dub. Uh, here. No, where was it? I gotta look. Look. 1052. Huh? That was yesterday. Was it? Hmm. Oh, that was that small win. 1245. Yeah, here. So, big move down. Zoom, zoom. We had a change in the state. Change in the state. We had this 1 minute fair value gap. And it also looked pretty nicely in the higher time frames. I'm not going to show you because it fuck up the thing, but and I really did take some off like here. So my stop loss was this. This was the trade. It was a simple long setup. I'm not gonna lie. Uh, uh, I was nervous here. I'm not gonna lie. With it moving sideways, I was nervous. And over here, I wanted to see this 5 minute get hit. We hit it. We didn't get a change in the state until up here. Your entry would have been something like this if you waited for a change in the state, which I mean is still true. Or you could just enter off an inverse here. But I'm low key now. I don't know. I made 700 bucks. I need like 1400 and like 40 something, 41 past my account. Um, so I need about 1400 to pass my account. So I might look for another trade, but it's 2:30 already, so I probably won't. And I'm upset because I bought. Alright, guys, there's gonna be a weird cut. Why? Because I just leaked my account, and I had to blur that out. But as shown here, guys, look, I bought a Rhythmic account thinking I could trade it on Tradeovate. And after some extensive research and me downloading the platform and shit like that, I was like, I figured out you couldn't. And I was like, I it was 30 bucks. How much was it? 33 bucks? I'm like, I might just waste $33 because and not even trade. No, that's stupid. I have the account, but if I end up losing it, I don't care. So I was like, I gotta buy actually what I wanted, which was the trader rate one, so I could trade it on trading, as shown here. So, because an 80% sale, I had to take advantage of. Even though Apex does have a lot of sales here and there. Like every few months or like every 1 or 2 months, a lot of sale. For like 80, 90%. So, that's what we got. So that was the trade setup. I took a long, I think it was like here. Uh, no, where was it? It was 1250. Oh, it's fucking back here. I think right here. Yeah. Took this long setup. And then I was away from the charts for since here. Now I'm just looking. We had an SMT, but I guess it doesn't fucking matter. I don't know. I'm really like not looking to trade. Um, wow, we have another SMT. Anyway, yeah. Um, um, I need to stop snacking. I'm probably done. I have a pretty good win rate. Worst trade, 124. Best is 167. That's like a 1.1 or 1.2 risk to reward. Not bad. I don't know what the fuck that means. My average win loss is a 1.35. Not bad. Not great. Um, I'm honestly probably done. I mean, I could pass the account tomorrow. I just gotta trade for 1400. But 1400 is not even that much. If I trade with 15 cons, like normal, like what I've been doing, I need about like 45 points. Yeah, I need like 50 points. I need like 49, something like that. I don't know. If I see a little something where I can make like 200 bucks, 100 bucks, I'll do it. But I'm gonna do the outro for the video here. And if I do take a trade, just like say in the description. And if there's nothing written, I didn't take a trade. But yeah. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna do the outro now. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. So I don't know. Actually, no, I'll be able to do live recordings. But I have school at 11:30, so I have to leave like 10:45. So I gotta place a trade before 10:45. I would like to be done by before 10:45. So we'll see. All right, I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. If I do take another trade, I'm gonna write it in the description, whether it's a win or a loss, and then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a great day. Tomorrow I'm trading both the Apex and the Top Step, so we'll see how that goes. quick update. As you can see, I went from what was I up? Uh, like $700 to now I'm only up 80, and I'm calling it a fucking day because now I'm just gambling. So just a quick little update. So it's going to take 2 more days now to pass this account. So I mean, hopefully by the end of this week, the account will be passed. But who fucking knows? Uh, we gotta end this bitch.